Hello everyone, thank you for watching and you are come here. Today I will share the lesson addition and number block. Let's start. 16.
I have a block.
19.
I have a equal.
35. 2.
I have a block.
7.
I have a equal.
9. 13.
I have a block.
16.
I have a equal.
29. 12.
I have a block.
17.
I have a equal.
29. 12.
I have a block.
20.
I have a equal.
32. 7.
I have a block.
20.
I have a equal.
27. 4.
I have a block.
14.
I have a equal.
18. 15.
I have a block.
3.
I have a equal.
18. 20.
I have a block.
8.
I have a equal.
28. 8.
I have a block.
19.
I have a equal.
27. 17.
I have a block. I have
9.
a equal.
26.
I
Six.
have a block. I have a equal.
24. 20.
I have a block.
3.
I have a equal.
23. 16.
I have a block.
8.
I have a equal.
24.
'I have a block. I have a equal.
9. 17.
I have a block.
3.
I have a equal.
20. 4.
I have a block.
11.
I have a equal.
15. Today I feel very happy because I complete very good studying job. 1.
I have a block.
12.
I have a equal.
13. 5.
I have a blood.
13.
I have a equal.
18. 15.
I have a blood.
3.
I have a equal.
18. 11.
I have a blood.
11.
I have a equal.
22. 2.
I have a blood.
8.
I have a equal.
10. 13.
I have a blood.
3.
I have a equal.
16. 5.
I have a blood.
19.
I have a equal.
24. 7.
I have a blood.
15.
I have a equal.
22. 14.
I have a blood.
19.
I have a equal.
33. 4.
I have a blood.
2.
I have a equal.
6. 14.
I have a blood.
17.
I have a equal.
31. 18.
I have a blood.
10.
I have a equal.
28. 11.
I have a blood.
8.
I have a equal.
19. 14.
I have a blood.
16.
I have a equal.
30. 20.
I have a blood.
7.
I have a equal.
27. The lesson is stop. See you again in the next lesson. Thank you for watching video today. Don't forget like and subscribe for me.